In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M15 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by downloading your new defaults. When you're ready, go into Devices Settings. In them, scroll all the way down to Access Apps. And then select Choose Default Apps at the top. Then click on one of those options to manage it. In my case, Browser app. Now, by tapping on your new downloaded one, you can easily apply it and go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!